In today's lecture, we are going to dissect the program, the Hello World program we have created in the last topic. I told a lot of code to you. I told the Hello World class args using system strings, console.writeline args, control.readline args, and some tools about Visual Studio. We developed a program and ran it. But I didn't tell you that the things that do things in this program. You didn't know actually what these codes mean and what they do. Today I'm going to explain these things. First of all, we start with this parenthesis. The parentheses that you are seeing in this video are called blocks. Each parenthesis is actually a block of code. It's like a brick of code that contains a small amount of information. It's like a page, a small thing, a small paragraph that you are writing to explain the computer to what to do. There are many blocks. You can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more than 5 blocks are there in this program. Blocks are completely called a group known as class. Classes are the groups of blocks that describe a program. Here you can see the namespace. Namespace means the name of program. You write the name. Static void main args are just some things known as for C#. You do not need it. It's necessary for to understand them right now, but I'll explain them later in the next lectures. So come to our code. All the C# code comes from a library developed by Microsoft known as .NET Framework. Strange, huh? But .NET Framework is a complete library that contains code about C#. All the information about C# is like a library which has a lot of books on code of C#. Each library has a chapter. A chapter has books, books have chapters, chapters has lessons and the things that you want to explain. Let's see, we write console.writeline. Console is a book that contains writeline to write a lesson to write a line. Then we type the brackets and type the empty blank to say what we want to explain by the program. Now execute the program. You will see that the program is not spelling because we have just said to write the line. It says that I have written the line, my job is done. It's a book in the C#.NET Framework library. There is a chapter known as readline. Then after a readline, we can close the parenthesis and put a semicolon. Semicolon has very importance. It's like a full stop to complete a sentence. Just like we do in English, we put a full stop. In Urdu, we put a dash, and different languages we use different symbols to complete a sentence. Similarly, in C# programming language, we use semicolons. Many languages do not need semicolons like Visual Basic, but C# and such languages require semicolons, as we also put them in small languages like basic languages and etc. The amazing thing about C# is that you can write the line codes in a single line. You can divide the code into many lines like this. You can write them in a straight line. You can write it in different lines, but until you put the semicolon, it means the sentence is complete. You can write this code to 100 lines if you want, but we are not going to do such complex things. Just keep it simple. So now I think that you have understood many things about the program that I have created. It may help you to develop some amazing apps in the future. I'll see you in the next video.